Alright, good morning gang. Today we got fucking dual steering stabilizers for my 6.0. Where's my knife? Let's see if I can find the top of the fucking box. Remember guys, always cut towards your belly, not your body. Wait. Always cut towards your belly, not your having a fucking orgasm. I mean, whatever that's called. Ugh. There we go. Fucking crispy. Okay. So, I don't have an overview, but let's fucking lean in. Got a bunch of stuff to protect my thing. Oh. I should invest in the freaking video guy holder, whatever they're called, human tripod. So, there's a bunch of stuff to protect my things. Pretty sure this is the actual hardware. And these are my shocks. Fuck shocks. Fuck yeah. Okay, let's open this up. Hopefully this will stop the freaking truck being messed up. Okay, let's see. Okay. Hopefully this fixes the truck because right now, fucking steering wheel has more play than me. And pair that with the fact that my truck decides to have a seizure every time it goes over 65. Not good. They gave us a fucking manual. Okay. Okay, stickers. That's 2 stickers so far. That's in there. Okay. Oh no, wait. Before I cut it, let's look at the shock. That's one way to open it. Shit. Okay. Actually, let's install this stuff here first. What is in there? Oh, more instructions. Look how fucking fat that is. What? Okay, this is. Okay, wait. Fuck. I need to separate my stuff. Okay. Pocket here. All my stuff goes here. With stickers, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Hardware. Here we go, so from the shop. That's fucking huge, dude. I could. Okay. It's got 2 of these. Wait, okay, it's got 2 ends. No fucking shit. Okay. I'm assuming these go in here. Then these go in there. Can you guys see fine? I'm gonna go check. What I was saying is, we have these, which are gonna go in both of these sides, and then I'm gonna have these go in here. My cousin just got here. I don't think there's a right and a wrong way to go about this. I wish they gave me a manual. Oh, more instructions. Okay. Okay, we might have to use the vise for this. Yep, let's go to the vise. Okay, so I have no way to send the phone up right now, but basically, I put the wrapping paper that came, I guess, with the packet here, so it doesn't mess it up. We'll put this in the vise and turn that and get them in there. Okay, so we got the shocks together. It was mainly my cousin because I was trying to use. I asked him like, hey, how do you do this? He's like, oh, use WD-40, and I used WD-40, but I still couldn't get it. And then he got it, then he tried it, and obviously got it. So if you guys are having trouble getting that together, just ask your cousin. He's not gonna be as cool as mine, but you could try. All right, so I washed underneath the truck because it was all greasy. Got all my parts over here. Let's get started. This is the hardest thing ever to record, but I'm assuming it goes like this. Let's roll with it. Okay, so the kit didn't come with bolts for these, and I've already looked everywhere and I can't find them. And I even tried looking in the bolt bucket, you know, where you put spare bolts and stuff. Nothing. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store and pick up some new ones. Okay, so we got that bracket all set up. The U-bolts are done, everything is tightened, that's level. Now we're gonna do the same over there, make it level, and same here. All right, pro tip, don't bolt these down all the way, even though this part is level, just in case you have to tweak this a little bit, because mine was kind of like that when it was supposed to be on there. So I kind of just loosened it up and moved it down, and makes it easier. And then after I put these in, then we could tighten everything down. All right, we got the dual steering stabilizer installed. Looks pretty pimpin', if I'm gonna be honest. Let's go for a test ride. So I'm going down the road about 60, and it does feel nicer and it feels a lot smoother, unless that's just a placebo, but we'll see. I was trying to go fast right now, but there's cars in my way. I guess they're going like the speed limit or whatever. I don't fucking know. Whatever, that's it for this video. See you guys. Alright, got the stablers installed. Alright, so underneath the truck was all greasy. I got that